In this video, what I'd like to show you is how to create a cascading style sheet, a CSS file that controls the look and feel of this basic website that we just created. With Dreamweaver open, I'm going to click on File, New, and then this time, instead of an HTML document, I'm going to click on CSS and click Create. The first thing I'll do is save it, and I'll title it Bio. And if you'll notice, the CSS extension is added automatically, so it's Bio CSS. Now we need to add some CSS rules that control the way our text looks. Let's say we want each paragraph to be formatted with an Arial font and 12 points. We need to work with the CSS panel to do that. The Properties panel is open over here. To check if it's open, you go Window, and if I see it's checked, if I uncheck it, it goes away. So Window, and it comes back. So that's how you find it. We're going to be adding a CSS element now. We're going to click New CSS Rule, and we need to add a tag to redefine a CSS element. And I'm going to delete body, and I'm just going to type a P, because that's the name that we use for a paragraph. Click OK, and then I want to determine what exact font I want. I choose Arial, Helvetica, Sans Serif. That means the browser will first of all try for Arial, and if that's not available, it'll shift to Helvetica. And if not that, then just any sans serif font. Font size, as we say, was 12, and that's what we want. And now, as you can see, our CSS styles have been added. The font family is Arial, the font size is 12 pixels. The next rule we're going to create is a rule that's going to put a red box around our image. So again, we're going to click on the new CSS rule icon, and class is what we want, and we're going to type .image and click OK. So now we want to add margin and padding to the image, and we also want to put a red grooved border around it. But first, to create the padding and the margins, we click on box, and then we put 4 for the padding and 4 for the margins. Then to put the red border around it, we click on border, and since we want a grooved border, we click on groove, and the color, to select the color, I click here, and I'm wanting this will do. And so I click OK, and now you can see the changes that I have. So now I want to go ahead and save it one more time. And that does it. In the next video, I'll show you how to attach the CSS file sheet.